Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back today with another 4 trades. They're all based on euro weakness. It is still less than 20%. Today's date is December the 31st. Still on holidays. It's bank holidays. Hope you're enjoying your holidays. And I want to point out the fact that many years ago, when I was learning how to trade, mentors and coaches would always say, don't trade bank holidays. Markets are really slow. Well, I'm here to tell you that if the market is open, you can trade it. Now, normally I focus on the pound pairs, but when I got in front of the computer today, running a little bit late, as opposed to usually around 6 in the morning, I would have caught this trade down here, but I still pulled the trigger around 9 or 9:15 this morning and closed out the trades in about 45 minutes or within the hour for sure. They were all winners. Today I was just looking to scalp or get a little bit better than scalping. And that just goes to show that once you add a few extra standard lots, you can make pretty good money even on bank holidays. One thing I really want to stress or point out, and it took me about 8 years to figure that out, that every system in the whole trading world, you're lucky to get 50% winners. And I could never understand. I used to jump from system to system, trying to find a system that'll give me much better results. Well, I'm here to tell you that after many years, I finally figured it out, that you have to have trade management and money management, both those things in order. Of course, the psychological part. But the real most important thing is learn how to trade the flow of the market. And once you learn how to trade market movement or the flow of the market, you'll go with that system that you have that's a 50% winner into a 90% winner. And this is exactly what I teach within the training videos. How to master trading the flow of the market. Or you can spend, like I did, between 5 and 10 years trying to figure out how to trade correctly. So once you learn how to trade properly, in other words, trade the flow of the market, you can take your system, any of my trigger systems, and get it from about 50% accurate to, about 90% on the winning side, which is what every trader wishes to have. Now, it doesn't mean that you're going to get 50 or 100 pips, as you can see down here. Looks like I didn't even get 20 pips on any of my trades. But if you can get 10 or 20 pips and do 4 or 5 trades a day, you can easily see how you can get between 50 and 100 pips a day. So let's run a check on the first pair right here, the euro-yen. Drag and drop it up. As I said, and as I teach within the videos, this is a perfect example of a great way to trade for you traders who are watching this video. Again, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Great way to trade. I jumped the gun a little bit. Could have waited until the red candle, but it would have been the same price anyhow. Not a big deal. I know that it's going to go down, and when you know it's going to go down, you take the trade. And even if I wanted to put in a stop, the stop would have only been 9 or 10 pips. And I could have stayed in the trade for more, 34 pips, but I'm underneath a little bit of shortage of time as I have to go out today and run a couple of errands. So I ended up with this. That's 7 pips, and 7 pips on the euro yen paid $679. And of course, if I wasn't short on time, I would have stayed in the trade longer, as I teach within the training videos. Remember, most important thing is, if you're fairly new, that is, I call a newbie as somebody who has been trading less than 2 years. It could be 2 months, but less than 2 years, and of course spent less than $10,000 on education. Reason why I say that is I've never met a successful trader who figured it out in less than 5 years, and I don't want to discourage you, but figured it out in less than 5 years and spent less than $10,000. So I can help you with the education, but you have to put in the chart time. The more chart time you put in, the faster you will learn how to trade. So get your hands on a lot of education. I can certainly provide you with plenty of that, and you have to do the chart time, as I have well over 50,000 hours of chart time in. All successful traders will tell you they spend many hours in front of the charts and studying on how to trade successfully. And you may think, oh, I just don't want to do that, don't want to put in the time. Well, then if you end up opening up an account, a live account, guess what's going to happen? The broker will take your money. So you may as well learn how to trade from the beginning the right way, not the wrong way like I did. So moving on to the next pair, using my HA trigger system. It's the Euro Aussie. Let's drag and drop it up. Here's another one. I got the timing almost correctly. When the candles turned red, I caught it on the next one. I was just a little bit lagging at seeing it, but I knew it was going to go down and at least test this bottom. And as it was testing, I decided to close out the trade. So let's see, I got in at this cursor, closed it out, looks like with 15 pips, and 15 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $1,160. And as you can clearly see, the euro is still weak and it can still keep going down, but I have to wrap it up. As I said, I am busy today. Euro New Zealand, let's take a look at that. Same situation. Once you establish the fact, and the meter will tell you that, which pair you should be looking at, then you can do multiple trades, which is exactly what I do every day. Pretty good, almost pretty good timing. On this red candle, took the trade. Looks like I ended up with 19 pips. And 19 pips on the Euro Aussie, or Euro New Zealand, sorry about that. I ended up with $1,374. Let me point out again, another great example of a great way to trade. For me, it's at least 90% accurate. And once you follow the rules, as I teach within the training videos, you will do much better than 50% winners. Moving on to the euro dollar. Let's take a look at that one. Same situation here. Another example of a great way to trade. Let's just drag and drop it up. This one here, if you watch my videos, it says to get in exactly where I got in. And look at that. Didn't even go 1 pip against me. And it actually gave quite a few more pips. All the way down to here is 53 pips. But I said I was in a hurry. Ended up closing it with 15 pips. And 15 pips on the euro dollar paid $1,500. So on this bank holiday day, New Year's Eve, I ended up with a grand total for pips, 56 pips. I got my quota in. And 56 pips paid $5,185. Love trading with my trigger systems. And this H8 trigger is also one of my top 4 favorite trigger systems. Very easy to understand, as blue we're buying and red we're selling, and but you have to line it up within a very good trading plan and with the indicators down at the bottom, and of course the chart on the top. So it makes my trading super easy, lots of fun, and just make pips every day. But believe me, for the first 8 years, or maybe just a little bit more than that, I really struggled with trading, as nobody ever taught me the right way. Every system I bought gave training and education, but not the proper kind of trading and education, as I provide within the training videos. So if your system is not producing like my H8 trigger system, I suggest you get your hands on it, and to do so, you just have to look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information, and of course this write-up, it's H8 trigger system. I do charge $250 for. It is an advanced Heiken actually. It's not the default standard one that you get on your platform. It's been improved to work just a little bit more efficient. It does come with 3.5 gigabytes of training, the package, and you will get an exact copy of my system exactly as you see it here on your MT4 platform. Works on MT4, not MT5, as one trader was trying to put it on the MT5 platform. Now it does come with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents that you really should go through, because this is exactly what you're going to need. A lot of education and along with training to succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I'm not going to go through everything here, and that is why I give a lot of training videos. There's 42 of them, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. Now my number one, this is the only one I'll talk about as we're running short of time, is a great way to trade. It's exactly what you're looking at here on the right hand side. Comes with a very high success rate. For me, it's more than 90% every time I see this setup. And make sure you're trading the right pairs at the right time. There's many things that you got to get right to turn your trading into a 90% success rate. And that's exactly what I teach within all the videos. How to get everything just right. And that is what you're paying for. So you can put it on pause here and read everything that I teach. Most people, they'll only teach one way, one system, and then you're left in the dark, making mistake after mistake after mistake. That's why you got to get your hands on a package that covers everything. And I do try to cover as many things as what I can think of. Now the training videos I did last year and the year before, at the time they were good, but all the systems I built this year are pretty much the same. So the top 4, and I am coming out with another 2 more within the next couple of months. Matter of fact, one of them's coming out next week. And all the systems that I've done this year, there's 6 of them, and they will be my top best 6 trading systems. I suggest you get your hands on all 6 of them because there's a ton of training videos that should get you successful. So anyhow, take that any way you want. If you want to get in touch with me, I can elaborate on it. All you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, just send me an email. My email address is right here. Remember, there's an underscore. I do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. Just have to click on this link, and we'll have a connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. Now, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and if you click on this link right here, you will see 30 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. That'll encourage me to keep doing them. Like it, like I said. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.